It's 11 p.m. Someone just landed on a plumber's website with a busted pipe flooding their kitchen. They need help now, but the office is closed. So they fill out a contact form and hope somebody calls them back tomorrow. By morning, they've already hired the competitor who answered. That just became a solved problem because websites can now talk back. There's a new AI service where a live voice agent sits right on a business's website. A visitor clicks one button and the AI answers like a real receptionist. It explains the services, it answers their questions, and then it books them straight onto the calendar. So the business owner wakes up with appointments already booked while they were sleeping. Now here's why I'm showing you this. Local businesses are paying $200 to $500 a month just to keep this installed on their website. And you can set it up for them even if you're a complete beginner. No coding. You can install it on any website, even one they already have. And here's the part that should get you moving. 99% of businesses have never even heard of this. But in the next 6 to 12 months, they're all going to have it. The only question is whether they buy it from you or from someone else. Now, before I jump on my computer and build one of these in front of you, I want to hook you up. If you want my full step-by-step course, all my templates, my scripts, plus an extended 30-day free trial to the exact software I'm about to show you, and even a free kickoff call to get you set up, just comment the word Whitelabel below and I'll send you everything 100% free. All right, let me show you exactly how this works. All right, so let me show you how this works. I'm on this website built for plumbers, and I want to show you this widget on the top right. As you can see, this is not a normal chat widget. This is what makes it a talking website. So you're not just chatting with somebody, you're actually chatting with someone that can help you with your problem, right? Whether it's a plumbing issue, HVAC, whatever the business problem is, this is gonna be able to help their customers as fast as humanly possible. So check this out. All right, I'm gonna click on the widget here, and as you can see, there is an AI voice agent that can help me. Now check this out.
Hey, you have reached Luis's Plumbing Company. How can I help you today?
Hi, I had a pipe burst inside of one of my bathrooms.
Oh no, that sounds stressful. I'll help get this sorted for you. Can I get your name and the best phone number to reach you so our team can follow up as quickly as possible?
Yeah, my name is Jonathan and my number is 505-222-2222.
Thanks, Jonathan. What's the best email address for you, just in case our team needs to send any updates?
Okay, I'll send the email, but real quick, how much would that be?
Totally understand wanting to know the cost. Pricing can vary depending on the extent of the damage and the specific repairs needed. So our team will need a bit more info before giving an exact quote. Once they have your details, someone will reach out to discuss your situation and provide an estimate. Whenever you're ready, just let me know your email address so I can pass everything along.
Okay, but can you give me at least an estimate for the usual job?
Sure, I get where you're coming from. For a typical pipe burst repair, the cost can range anywhere from a few $100s up to over $1,000. Depending on things like the location of the pipe, how much water damage there is, and how quickly it needs to be fixed. Most standard repairs usually fall somewhere between $500 and $1,500, but it really depends on the specifics. Our team will be able to give you a much more accurate estimate once they know a bit more about your situation. If you can share your email, I'll make sure they get in touch with you right away to talk through the details and pricing.
Sure, it's test@gmail.com.
Got it. Is there anything else you'd like the team to know before they reach out?
That is correct. I would like someone to come out as soon as humanly possible.
Thanks for confirming, Jonathan. I've noted that you need urgent help with a burst pipe in your bathroom and want someone out as soon as possible.
All right, so as you can see, I just had a full conversation with this AI agent who can now help me direct my call. Now, the cool thing is a human will actually reach out and try to figure out the actual issue, but the more important thing for these businesses that you're helping is this system can not only talk to your customers, but it could take that information and add it. That way it's recorded back in the database, and now we can send them emails, text messages, and do all the automated follow-up that way as well. All right, so now if we go to the back end, this is what the actual transcript will look like. Now, the cool thing is you can actually go back and see the actual conversation that this AI voice bot had with this customer. So if you go to conversations and then you scroll through here, you can see the entire transcript that just happened. Now, the cool thing is it will give you an entire call summary. That way you don't have to read everything, but you can also look at the full transcript. That way you can see if there's any mistakes. If you want the AI robot to do anything different, that's the cool thing is you can see everything that is going on. And then of course, the AI robot will actually take all the information, the first name, last name, email, and it'll put it in this CRM. That way it can record all the information that it's getting. Now, as far as the website goes, this software that I just used to create the AI agent will also create the entire website as well. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if somebody already has a website and they don't want to use this software to recreate the website? That's perfectly okay. If someone already likes their website, but they just want to add the talking AI agent, then it's super easy. We just go back, we get a piece of code, we add it to their existing website, and it's done within just a few seconds. But for those who don't have a website, which there are a ton of local businesses that don't even have a website, the cool thing here is this software called GoHighLevel will actually give you websites in seconds. And of course, I'm going to show you how to do all of this, but if you do want to play around with this software, I have a link down below that will give you an extended 30-day trial. If you go to the regular website, you're only going to get a 14-day trial, but if you use that link down below in the description, then you'll get an extended 30-day trial. That way you can start messing around with this and building AI voice call agents. All right, so what we're gonna do is inside of this GoHighLevel account, you're gonna go to where it says AI agents, okay? So right here, and then you're gonna go to where it says knowledge base. So we're gonna do this first because we wanna feed this AI agent all the information about this company, okay? So I'm gonna go to knowledge base here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a knowledge base, okay? So again, this is basically where you would put all the information about this company. Now, if you don't know anything about this company, that's perfectly fine. Let me show you a secret here. You're gonna go to create knowledge base, and I'm just gonna put plumbing example. We're gonna do add. Now, here's the cool thing. We can add a ton of different data sources inside of this knowledge base, okay? What I like to do is start with the web crawler, because what it will do is it will go ahead and look at every single page on their website and pull in all the information. This is literally the easiest way that you can get started, okay? So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go to add website, and I'm gonna go here where it says all URLs in this domain, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and enter the URL for this company, okay? Again, this could be a local company, local business that you're helping set up this talking website. Now, I went ahead and just chose a random plumbing company just to show you how this works. Now, I'm gonna go back over here and enter this URL and select pages to train. And then I'm gonna select all of the pages because I want this to be fully knowledgeable on this company's information, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and hit train, and just like that, your entire knowledge base is ready to go. That way, the talking website or the AI agent knows exactly how to respond based on this business. Now, if there's anything missing from the website, you can actually go and add it where it says rich text, okay? So sometimes not all of the information is there. I would say about 90% of the time, the web crawler gets pretty much everything about the business. But if there's anything missing like FAQs or certain pricing, you can always just add information right here and it'll pull this information. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is actually create the widget, okay? We already created the knowledge base, but now we're gonna create the widget that we can add to the website. So what we're gonna do is click on AI agent. We're gonna go to where it says conversation AI. We're gonna click on here, and then we're gonna click on create bot, okay? So what we're gonna click here is prompt-based bot, create new bot, and then we're gonna do a appointment booking. Our goal is to book appointments, but of course you can do general Q&A or start from scratch if you have anything specific you wanna do. Most business owners just want more appointments, so we're gonna click here. We're gonna hit continue. And what we do here is just simply go through the settings here, okay? So bot name, I'm gonna put plumbing example, but I would put the business name here. And then we're gonna go ahead and click on autopilot right here. Now, here's the cool thing. We can actually add this bot on multiple channels. We can use it for SMS, for Instagram, Facebook, you know, the website, which we showed you earlier, but you can also use that exact same bot for all of these social channels. So it's absolutely insane. saying, okay? So then here, we're gonna go ahead and put the business name. I'm gonna put plumbing test. We can go ahead and just leave this as is. We're gonna go ahead and save that. And then what I wanna do is I wanna go to bot training right here. And it says knowledge base trigger. So I'm gonna go ahead and add knowledge base. The cool thing is we've already done this. So I'm gonna choose knowledge base, choose the one we just created, whatever you named it. You're gonna click on that. You're gonna save it. And now the entire knowledge base is uploaded. That way it knows exactly how to respond to these customers. Okay, so next step here is we're gonna go to where it says bot goals, okay? Now inside of here, it has some pre-built prompts that you can go ahead and edit if you want. I'm just gonna leave it the same because it already knows the goal here is to get the customer to book an appointment. So right there. And then as you can see, again, it's taking all the information from the knowledge base. So I'm gonna leave this as is, but of course you can look at this and figure out what works for your client or for your business. Okay, so right here where it says set up actions, you can actually do a bunch of really crazy things, but for now, I'm just gonna focus on the appointment booking because that's the goal, okay? So all you have to do here is click on the appointment booking button, and it's gonna ask you which calendar do we want to connect this to. Now the cool thing is this software that we're using, it has its own calendar, so you can use the calendar built in. You don't have to go buy a different software. So I already set a bunch of calendars up. You just pick the one that you want for this particular business. You click on that calendar, and then once you do that, you hit proceed. I'm just gonna pick on a random one here and then proceed, okay? So then it's gonna give you a few options here on what you want the bot to do or not to do. So right here, I'm gonna leave this checked off because we want the bot to book it for us. Pause bot responses after booking. We can go ahead and just leave it going. Essentially, I want all of these just the way it is. Now, if the company has an employee ready to pick up, you can always do a transfer to a live employee, but most of the time there's not someone ready to answer. So I usually leave this off. And if you want a specific workflow or automation, you can also do this as well. Now, I do like to have these on right here because it allows the bot to cancel or reschedule the appointment, okay? So again, it just really depends on what the client wants. If they don't want the bot to cancel or reschedule, then that will have to be done obviously by a human. But I usually like to keep these on. I'm gonna hit save. And then right here where it says preferences, I always like a conversation summary. And then I'm gonna hit save at the bottom right. All right, so next I wanna show you how to create the actual widget itself. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna go to where it says sites, and then under sites, we're gonna go to where it says chat widgets, okay? We're gonna click on this button right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and create a new widget. So I'm gonna hit new right here. I'm gonna click on voice AI. Now, as you can see, there's a ton of different widgets that you can create. I'm gonna focus on the voice one today. So I'm gonna click on this, and we wanna name this whatever this company name is. I'm just gonna put test plumbing right here as an example. And then over here, we can go through these options here to customize everything. So widget placement, we can leave as is. Appearance, we can change coloring, right? We can do like a goldish color, purple, whatever the branding or whatever the website is. Just gonna leave this blue for now. We can have a custom welcome message, right? So as you can see, hi there, have a question. That's the first thing they see. So all this is completely customizable, right? We can even put a different avatar photo, right? So we want to put a different person here. You can upload a personal image, whatever you want to do there. And then you could even change the location of the widget, as you can see right here, right? So if you wanted to change it somewhere else, or if you have, for example, you already have like a chat widget, but you also want a voice widget, right? You're going to want to move them in different locations, right? I know I like to have multiple widgets, one for chat, one for voice. You know, you can obviously change it wherever it needs to change. I like to usually leave this on the top right, okay? And then again, the chat window allows you to kind of change this up. So right here where it says talk to us, you know, you could put have a question or whatever you want to add there, okay? And you could even put a contact form if you'd like. Usually not for this type of thing here because it's already going to collect that information. And then again, we got the messaging. We could go ahead and leave as is. And then under agent, you're going to want to go ahead and choose the agent we just created. So I'm going to choose demo plumbing agent, and then I'm just going to simply name it plumbing demo. But again, this should be the name of the business that you are using. Now, all you have to do now is hit save. Now, here's the cool thing. If you're building this out for someone that already has a website, all you have to do here is click on get code, and all you do is copy that piece of code and you add it to the header of their website. Okay, that's literally all you have to do, and it will add this entire agent inside of their existing website. Now, this is only if they already have a built website and they don't want a website within GoHighLevel. Now, let me show you how to actually add the widget if they have their website built within this software right here, GoHighLevel. Okay, so I'm gonna go to where it says sites and then go where it says websites. And as you can see, I already have a plumbing website already built out. Let me show you how to build one from a template. Super easy. You just go to new website, you click on from templates. Now here's the cool thing. There's literally thousands of different templates, right? In every type of different niche. But if you go to plumbing here, you can see that there's a ton of different already pre-built websites where you can use what they have. And all you got to do is switch out logos, relevant information. That's it. Okay. So you just click on this and it'll build the entire website in seconds. Now I'm just going to use this as an example. Let's just say you found a template that you like. You're going to click on this, and to add the widget, all you do is go to where it says settings. You're going to go down, and right here where it says chat widget, you're just going to choose the widget that we just created. All right, so how much should we actually charge clients to do this for them? Now, I'm going to give you some numbers here that I would recommend if you're brand new, you don't have experience with this. Now, at minimum, I would charge them between $500 and $1,000 just to set this up, right? Build the website, build the AI agent. And the cool thing is you can probably do this in a day once you really figure it out. Now, again, the $500 to $1,000 setup fee is just to build the website out. But then what you want to do is have them on a monthly retainer, right? So somewhere between $300 to $500 a month. That way you can manage everything that's going on. If anything breaks, if they have a ton of leads coming in, you're the one that's going to manage all of that for them. Now, if you're not completely confident at all because this is your first time, you want to go ahead and start messing around with this, what I recommend is doing it for free, because as you saw, it was actually very simple to do. But then after the setup is done, then you could go ahead and still charge them the monthly fee. I do recommend this if you're not confident yet and you just want to get some clients, get some testimonials. Once you get really good, the minimum I would charge is $3,000 to $5,000 just for the setup fee, and then charge them the $500 a month. And the cool thing is, as you get better, you're going to get better clients and you can then charge more and more. Now, if you really want to get aggressive with this, you can actually go to these local businesses and just say, hey, I built you a talking website AI agent. And again, all you have to do is just show them the example that I showed you here today. And I promise you, they're going to be blown away and they're going to want you to do this for them. Now, if you want to dive deeper into the entire setup, you want me to give you all my client scripts. How do I actually get clients? How do I reach out to these companies? You want my entire course absolutely free. There's a link below that will give you access to my entire community. Now, this is 100% free, and I have an entire course walking you through this process in depth, okay? All you have to do is sign up for a free trial of the software that I mentioned, GoHighLevel, okay? So I'm gonna leave those links down below. And within that community, you can ask questions if you get stuck anywhere. The whole goal is to help you through this entire process. And as you can see in the community, we have over 3,000 members that we've helped get started with this business model. So let's bring it home. You just watched a website answer questions, handle objections, and book an appointment all by itself. No missed calls, no leads going cold overnight, no customer running to the competition at 11 p.m. And here's why businesses happily pay $200 to $500 a month for this. A roofer makes $10,000 on one job. A remodeler makes $30,000. If this saves them just one customer every few months, your entire service pays for itself. That's why this is such an easy sell. You build it once, install it in minutes, and collect month after month. And remember, 99% of businesses have never seen this. You're early, but you won't be for long. So if you want everything you need to start, my full step-by-step course, all my templates and scripts, an extended 30-day free trial to this exact software, plus a free kickoff call to get you set up, just comment the word white label below or click the link in the description. All of it 100% free. And if you got value from this video, hit subscribe, because I show you how to build real income with AI every single week. I'll see you in the next one.